teach you how to make gluten-free bread. Let's get started. The most important thing about making recipes before you do making recipes is to wash your hands. And that is especially now because of the coronavirus that is here. These are the 6 dry ingredients we'll need. 1. We'll need 1 cup of golden flax meal. 2. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. 3. We'll need 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. 4. We will need 1 cup of white rice flour. 5. We'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar. 'And lastly, 1 cup of tapioca starch or flour. Next we will do the liquids. So we got our water, 1/2 cup. And then you put 1/4 of extra virgin olive oil. After that, we have our 3 eggs that we need to crack. That we are going to crack into this bowl. Hold on a second. Now the eggs are cracked. Now we're going to move on to the bread machine, or the baking. So you put all these. Now we're going to put them all together. So first we start with the oil or the eggs. Pour it all in. Scrape it out. Then you get your eggs. You just pour it in. flour all mixed up. Pour it in. And last but not least, the most important, yeast. If you don't put the yeast in, it'll look sad. I had that mistake before. And the amount is 2 teaspoons. And one fourth of a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon. And then the crust color and menu. The menu is 2. And the crust color is rapid, 2 hours and 35 minutes. Menu 2. Here we go. And then you press this blue that's around this white button. Start, and then you press it. And then we wait. And now it is done. So you press your start button or hold it. And then you get your bread out. I'm going to go put it on the rack. You should put your thing back. Before you do any more bread, you need to wait for at least an hour. Here's your bread. Also, you're going to need to take out that spatula and put it back in when you make more bread.